The common pitfall most people will make with the summary of qualification is describing their human skills, also commonly referred to as soft and transferable skills. When describing your human skills, it's not enough to outline you have strong communication skills. Instead, you want to show how you've developed or showcased the skill. For example, animated oral communicator with strong presentation skills proven by co-facilitating workshops for adolescents ages 10 to 14 on topics such as conflict resolution and healthy relationships. Always make sure you qualify and/or quantify the human skill you are including by drawing from your work, volunteer, extracurricular, academic, or lived experiences. These examples do not need to be relevant to the job as long as it is a clear behavior or action that is associated with the skill. It's important to ensure you do this well if you are applying for your first practicum or job in your field of interest. In the soft skills are harder review of literature, employers report a skill gap and generally don't feel graduates possess sufficient soft skills to perform it effectively. As such, if you are able to demonstrate how you've cultivated the skill on paper, you are one step further in the application process.